What's going on, guys? So it's the 24th of July today, and we're out here gonna be in the parade today. Got the truck all cleaned up. If this truck doesn't scream America, I don't know what does. So American Force wheels, American flag. Got a couple people that are gonna be riding on it with us. Got the hay bales ready, so should be pretty fun. But yeah, we're gonna get ready and still waiting for the people to show up. Just kind of enjoying these cool tractors over here. Not very often you get to see old tractors like that. This old chopper, corn chopper, that's pretty neat. So yeah, just waiting for people to show up. So just detailed the truck this morning and everything's looking good, so we're prepared. I'll show you a little bit of riding through the parade with us. It'll be fun. I'm excited for it. I've been wanting to get this truck in a parade for a while now, and finally happened, I guess. And yeah, hope you enjoy the ride. This old chopper, it's sweet. Oliver diesel. Can't make them like this anymore. Hay pickup, pretty cool. These fancy old tractors. Just waiting for the parade to start. Well, guys, we found everybody. Got the lights turned on. You can see the lights. Got them turned on. We're ready to go, huh, Hadley?
Yep.
Got the trailer a little more fancy. Got some posters put on. Should be pretty fun. Well, cruising down Main Street. Pretty good parade out there. Not too bad. Pretty fun. Got a whole bunch of people. Pretty good. You having fun?
Yep.
Good.
Okay, you having fun?
Quite a bit of people out there. Well, guys, we just got back from the parade and got the trailer unloaded and whatnot, but got something special. Got some fancy new parts for the truck. Got these polished aluminum door handles. There's both of them. The interior trim pieces, and what I like most is this one says Trucking Cowboy on it. That one will look good in there. And then we got the wing windows. We're gonna be putting those in. And then we got the knobs for the AC and the fan and stuff. So we're gonna put those on and we're gonna get after it. All right, cut.
All right, so just this.
Yep. We're gonna go ahead and I just got this one removed, but then I'm gonna remove these ones. You just pop them out, and then the ones that I'm using, they're from JC Customs. You have to remove this clip and put these clips on the ones that they sent, so we'll keep doing that. Alright. You videoing?
Yep.
So what you have to do is be careful if you want to save these. You just pop them off. Super carefully so you don't break the tabs. And then the ones that they sent, you just slide these on. Got that one installed just like that, and we'll go and do all the rest. Show you after we get them done. So just pop them on like that. Well, got both of these pieces, got the clips put on, and we'll go put them in now. Let's get this installed. Gotta make sure we're putting the, ooh, that pops in there real nice. That looks super good.
It's really good.
Oh yeah. There we go. They both pop in there really nice. As you can see, got my cameraman today. He's doing a pretty good job. We're getting him trained up.
Yeah.
But now we're gonna do that one. You just gotta be careful with these. They pop out super easy. Just be careful with them and they're good to go. So we'll come out here and take these off, and we'll put them on the new piece.
What are you doing?
Just put it up there and it
Pops right in, nice.
oh yeah, shiny. I like that trucking cowboy. There's a little bit extra have them put that in there, but that looks good. Now let's do these wing windows. I got brand new polished wing windows, so we're gonna do that real quick. We got these wing windows that are knobs that are all polished. They came with a set screw, so we're gonna put these on and get the other ones off. I'll show you how to get those other ones off. So what you do is you swing this window out like this. I'll shut the door, I'll show you. And then this has a little pin that goes, roll pin that goes through there, and we're gonna get that tapped out. So you come over here, get your little drill bit, gotta make sure you hold on to your drill bit.
Yeah.
And
It comes right off.
just like that, comes right off. Push this little part out, and this little part is a little pin piece that goes through there. So we'll come over here. So what you do is you drop this piece down in there, and then we got to get a set screw. one of these set screws. All this stuff from JC Customs came super nicely packaged. So we got that. We're gonna have to screw it in real quick to take the Allen head and so now it's ready to go together.
Alright.
So what you do is you
Put your, I don't know what that is, an Allen wrench.
What you do is you just tighten it down.
Dalen, I guarantee all the fans are wondering how many Allen wrenches have you broke that thin?
Probably a couple. Probably a couple. But the set screw is the roll pin, so it's a lot easier to take it apart, put it back together. Just like that.
Works like a charm. Got new windows.
Yep. We'll open the door and show you how they look.
Alright. They look really nice.
Ooh, I like that.
Matches right there.
Matches that part, huh? Matches this part. Now we'll go do the other side. We won't bore you with the other side.
Yeah.
Because I just showed you how to do this side. But then we'll be doing these door handles next. So we'll show you in a second.
Alright.
Meter. You can just reach in here like this and just carefully remove that bolt without having to take the door panel all the way off. Just like that. Now we'll go get the shiny new chrome ones and put on.
Now we got the shiny new ones.
The shiny new one right here. We'll get this bolt.
There's that one that we just removed. Here's the tricky part. Have to find that hole.
Yep. Just like that. We got the shiny new doorknobs.
Pull that one. Yeah, I think it works.
Just like that. That looks pretty dang good compared to that old stuff, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Well, we got this other door handle installed and
Yeah.
wing windows on both sides, both door handles installed. So now we'll do the AC control knobs. But yep, that looks a lot better, don't it?
Yeah. Rolling.
So we're doing the AC knobs now. And these have a little set screw also.
Don't want to lose those. You won't.
So
Grab your handy dandy screwdriver.
Might have to get a little screwdriver. Hold on. That just pulls off super easy like that. And then
put one back in.
Yep, just slides on there. Might need a little more adjustment.
Here's the old one. There's your old one. Don't know what that green piece is in there.
That's where the light shines through, buddy. There we go.
And there's our new one.
And we'll go get the other 3 ready and pop them on.
Alright.
And that looks pretty dang good, don't it?
Yeah.
We'll get
looking nice.
These new knobs installed. Gotta get the set screws out. Should be good.
Yeah.
Just gotta get that little ball in there just right. Okay, we'll go get in the truck and show you install.
Alright.
These pull off super easy.
Do you want me to pull this one off?
I will. And then the little ball on these goes to the flat part. Goes to the flat part here. They won't go on. Fine, super fine adjustments, it says. They're all on now.
Yeah.
Look pretty good. So take a rag and clean them up really nice. And
That'll work.
still videoing?
Yeah.
And we'll get a rag and, oh, here's my rag. Wipe them down really nice.
Yeah, really nice and neat.
Here, just wipe that part over there. Alrighty, all done. And that's what JC Customs kit looks like. I bought their whole kit. Had them engrave my trucking cowboy for my YouTube channel on there. Looks pretty fancy. And so, yeah, guys. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
We'll see you on the next video.